and everything that you need to go through this workout. So if we were to drop back over here, first off we need to bring it in. The source is equal to JS slash past schedule. So now I think that we're bringing in the objects. So let me see if I could just okay, so now I'm thinking that we're bringing in the objects. So let's see if we can go script. This is just to make sure that I've got it linked up properly. Let's see, RIPT. And here I'm just going to console.log the past schedule. And if we were to come back over to our thing here and I refresh the page and I inspect the element, I should see past schedule, but it's saying that it's not defined, so I'm not bringing it in properly. Let's see if I take that out. Okay, cool. So if I took that out, that was the problem. I had a / here, I took it out. And now when we look into here, we see that we've got our JavaScript object with the intervals on it. Yeah. One thing that we could do now is we could just say total time. We could say let total elapsed time, total exercise time is equal to past schedule dot map, and for each one we could go function, and we're going to say for each phase of the workout. Oh, no. We want to do, what's it called when you bring it together, add it together? Well, let's just do it like this for now. We're going to map, we're going to go dot for each. And then with each one, we're going to say total exercise time is equal to 0. And then for each phase, we're going to say the total exercise time is plus equal phase dot interval. So we're adding each one, and then yeah, total exercise phase. Now if we were to console.log total exercise time, and we refresh the page over here, I think if we went, well, yeah, it already spelled it out. So it's 5,787 seconds. That's the amount of time that this is going to take. So, and if we do that divided by 60, that's going to give us how many minutes. So this is an hour and a half, is an hour 40 sort of a workout. Cool. So what we want to do now is set a timer that counts backwards, right? So let's see, it's the timer, JavaScript time out, jQuery set timeout, window timeout. There we go. Set timeout function alert hello. Okay, so here we go. This is the set timeout is a function which says hello every 3 seconds. That's what this is doing. And so what we want to do is set a timer equal to the total. And actually I'm going to add another little element in here because I want to have like a preparation. Prepare to start, and we're going to do that with like a 10-second interval. And then, okay, cool. So we've got our clock in here. And so now I want to indent this so it makes sense. If we go back over here, we refresh the page, we see the clock displays at 00, but that should not be right. So now what we want to do is start getting the functionality in. We don't need to console log that anymore, so I can remove that. And then we don't need to console log the total exercise time anymore. I think if we were to do total exercise time here. Yeah, we're getting that. So this is now a global variable. So total exercise time is available in our application here. So now I'm just going to do some JavaScript here just to start off. And so just to make sure we're working, I'm going to say total exercise time. I'm just logging this out so that I know what I'm looking at. Total exercise time 5797. Okay, cool.